If you're feeling like giving up, I want to take a moment to remind you of something very important. The road you're on right now, as hard as it might seem, is part of your story. Life has its seasons, and sometimes we find ourselves in the winter, cold, difficult, and seemingly endless. But even in the harshest winter, the trees don't stop growing. The seeds don't stop sprouting beneath the soil. Every challenge, every setback, is not a sign of defeat but a part of your growth, your evolution. I know it feels exhausting when everything seems to be falling apart. It can be easy to wonder if things will ever get better. But think about this, the darkest moments in our lives often precede the brightest breakthroughs. You are exactly where you need to be right now, even if it doesn't feel like it. Trust that what you're going through is not just a test of your strength, but an opportunity for you to evolve into the person you're meant to become. When things get tough, it's not a reflection of your worth. It's life calling you to become more, to push through the discomfort, to build resilience, and to rediscover your purpose. The pain you're feeling today will not last forever. It's a chapter in a much bigger book, and you're not at the end yet. Take a deep breath, even if it feels hard. You have faced challenges before, and you've come through them, even if it didn't feel like it at the time. This is no different. What matters now is not that you're struggling, but that you don't let it define you. You are not your struggles. You are not your failures. You are your strength, your persistence, and your ability to keep going when the world tries to tell you to stop. Remember, success isn't defined by how many times you fall. It's defined by how many times you rise. Keep putting one foot in front of the other, even if it's hard. Every small step is progress. Every day you choose to keep going, even in the face of doubt, you're moving closer to the version of yourself that's waiting on the other side of this storm. You don't have to have all the answers right now. You don't have to know exactly how everything will turn out. What matters is that you don't give up. Just keep showing up for yourself, even when it feels like you're not making any progress. Because, trust me, you are. And one day, when you look back on this moment, you'll see how far you've come, how much you've grown, and how strong you've become. So, take it one day at a time. Give yourself grace. The journey may be tough, but you are tougher. Your story is still being written, and you have the power to write the ending. Keep going, you're worth it.